Sawadika everyone, welcome back to Abina in Thailand. If you're planning to ride a motorcycle legally in Thailand, you'll need a Thai motorcycle license. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can ride with confidence and stay out of trouble. Let's get into it. First things first, do you really need a Thai motorcycle license? If you're here short-term, your home country's motorcycle license plus an international driving permit or IDP will work. But if you're staying long-term or plan to ride often, getting a Thai motorcycle license is the smart move. Not only is it legal, but it can also save you from fines or insurance headaches. Before heading to the Department of Land Transport, make sure you have these documents: your original passport and a signed photocopy of the main page and visa page, a non-immigrant visa or a valid tourist visa, a residency certificate from immigration or your embassy, a work permit, a medical certificate from any local clinic, which costs around 200 to 250 baht, and 2 passport-sized photos, though some offices take photos on site. If you already have a motorcycle license from your home country, bring it. It might help you skip the driving test. In my case, it did. I needed copies of the front and back and pages signed. Now, let's head to the Department of Land Transport, or DLT for short. Be sure to arrive early. Here's what to expect. First, submit your documents at the information desk. Then, take the color blindness test. Next, take the reflex test. After that, take the depth perception tests. You'll need to watch a 1-hour traffic safety video. In some offices, it might be a bit longer. Next up is the written tests. This consists of 50 multiple choice questions. You need at least 45 correct to pass. Finally, there's the driving test. You'll ride a small track with cones, turns, and stop signs. If you pass everything, you'll get your license the same day. If you fail, you can retake the test another day. The cost is around 105 baht for a 2-year temporary license. After 2 years, you can upgrade to a 5-year license, which costs around 255 baht. Super affordable, right? Here are some quick tips to make the process smoother. Some DLT offices require appointments, so check online or call ahead. Study the Thai road signs and traffic rules before the test. It's not just common sense. Wear proper attire for the test. Closed-toe shoes are required. Because I have a motorcycle endorsement on my driver's license, I had to watch a 1-hour video and answer 4 questions. At the end of the test, I was issued a QR code to take to the Department of Land and Transportation as proof of passing the test. And that's it. Getting your Thai motorcycle license is easier than you might think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living in Thailand. See you in the next one. Kob Kun Ka.